Welcome to Joe's Zero Sum video blog. This is the first of what I hope will be many discussion starters that I post. What is the formal definition of a zero-sum game? In game theory and economic theory, a zero-sum game is a mathematical representation of a situation in which each participant's gain or loss of utility is exactly balanced by the losses or gains of the utilities of the other participants. In simpler terms, what this essentially means is that in a zero-sum game, if someone wins, someone also has to lose. In the balance of life, it often appears there is no gain, so it becomes a case where, again, if someone gets ahead in life, then that means someone else eventually has to give something up. The idea behind my talks is to discuss various issues as I observe them to see if there are ways that things, particularly life, can become better. The concept of zero itself is interesting. It essentially means nothing or the absence of anything. Ancient peoples did not understand its importance. The Romans did not have zeros, and as a result, multiplication in their number system was almost impossible. Only after the Arabs examined the current knowledge of numbers in mathematics that they had received from the Egyptians and other areas in the world was it found that the concept of zero would be important in order to advance mathematics. Not only was multiplication now possible, it was also possible to better express the quality or inequality of mathematical or other terms. I've chosen to do this blog because in my travels around the world I found great inequities. I've also found that Americans, for the most part, are not happy with their existences. It is most striking to me that when I go to countries far less endowed with resources, I find people with literal zero of anything that seem to be happy with their life's lot. I often wonder to myself, why is this so? Could it be simply that they are innately happy, or is there something about their environment, their family, their society? I'm hoping to start a dialogue to discuss this and many other issues in order to see if solutions can be found in order to make life more than a zero-sum game. As the saying goes, we only go around once, so why not make the trip the best it can be? I encourage others to look at these videos and examine their circumstances. I welcome comments and suggestions on other items that can be discussed. If you notice on my beginning page, there's a picture of me and a sloth that wandered into our camp while I was doing service work in Central America. Sometimes I feel Americans are reluctant to change anything, or if they do it so slowly, like a sloth, they may never benefit. This is the rationale behind the slogan for my website, Don't Be a Sloth. Thank you for viewing. I look forward to future posts.